and welcome to Create Dishes. My name's Tracy and today I'm going to be showing you how to make beef wontons. It's a simple, quick and easy dish to have on hand. You can freeze them, you can fry them, you can steam them, you can bake them. Now it's time to get started on the wonton wrappers. What you will need is 500 grams of beef mince, or you could use pork mince, lamb mince, chicken mince, whatever you feel. 15 grams of stock powder, a good pinch of pepper, 20 grams of minced garlic, a bunch of spring onions, and 1 brown onion. I also have a couple of packets of wonton wrappers, or you could make your own. I also have a little tub of water and my knife. With your spring onions, just peel off the outer layer, give them a good rinse over. Once that's done and they've dried off slightly, take the ends off. Now it's just a fine slice. When you finish slicing your spring onion, keep these end bits, and I'll show you in a minute why. Now just do a fine chop on the spring onions. Doesn't have to be too fine, but just so they're easily edible. Grab your bowl, pour your spring onions into your bowl. Grab your brown onion, peel it. Probably only need to use half of the onion. So pop the other half away and do a fine dice. I cut it lengthways, turn it on the side, and then just really finely dice it. As you can see, it's a nice fine texture. Add your finely diced onion into your bowl with the spring onion. While you've still got your chopping board, grab back some of the length of your spring onions. What you do is just slice it in half. And then into quarters. You can even go thinner if you prefer, to a little strip. What I'm going to do with these strings of spring onion is pop them into a pot of boiling water, and then I can use these to make my money bag wontons, to tie them up. Now that the water is boiling, we can add the spring onion strips to the water. Just blanch them off for 30 seconds, pull them out, run them under some cold water and put them to one side. I like to wear gloves when I do this next step. Now the gloves are on, put your beef mince into the bowl, grab your chicken stock powder, your minced garlic, as well as your pepper, a good pinch of pepper. You already have the onions in the bowl, so now it's time to get our hands dirty and give it a good mix through. Now that we've started to mix it through, we can now add our Kecap mayonnaise, which is a thick, sweet soy sauce. Put that in and mix it all through till it's combined nicely. The mixture comes together really well and it stays in shape. Okay, you'll need a tablespoon. Pop it into your mixture. Grab some of your wonton wrappers. Place them down on a board. When you've got your wonton wrappers out on the board, you can get a flat tablespoon worth of the mince mixture. Roll it in a ball and place it onto your wonton wrapper. After a while, I just eyeball the amount because I think I know how much to put in. Still continue to roll it, pop it on. Best thing with this is if you've got too much, you can always take some off. What I do now is dip my finger into the water and just slightly rub it down the edge of the wonton wrapper. Then I grab both sides, bring them up, Other two sides, bring them up and just squish them in. So while I keep going ahead and finishing off my wonton wrappers, I'll come back to you soon. Now that I've finished wrapping my wontons, you can grab the spring onions that you blanched off in the hot water before. What you can do is you go around the edge of your money bag wonton and just tie it in a knot. Then you can snip off your excess, and there you have your money bag wonton. Now with your money bag wontons, you can steam them, fry them, put them in the oven, or whack them in the freezer, pull them out another time and cook them up, ready to eat. Putting the spring onions around the money bag, you don't have to do that. If you don't want to, you can just pinch them and leave them as is. They will stay together as they're cooking. I hope you enjoyed my wonton recipe, and I'll see you soon. Bye!